How to set custom icons on iPhone status bar. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your iPhone. Once you're here, scroll down to find and tap on Focus. Focus lets you filter notifications and apps based on what you want to pay attention to. On this page, tap the plus icon and from the options, tap on Custom as shown. On the next screen, you can select an icon and a color that you like. After that, enter a name for your new focus, such as Demo. Tap on Next and then tap on Customize Focus. The focus is now created. Now, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen to open the Control Center. Tap the Focus button. Select the new focus mode you just created from the list to activate it. Once activated, the custom icon you selected will appear in the status bar at the top of your screen, indicating that the specific focus mode is on. Following these steps, you can easily set custom icons on an iPhone status bar.